Alright. This next one is kind of an alternate version of one of my other songs too. It's called Like a Big Flame. A long time ago, I made a mistake. I practiced in the line that I can't relate. All of these things never take back. Before you make them known, please understand. I thought it'd be alright, thought it'd be a one-night thing. She was so nice and everything, but she never find out. You should never understand what you do unto others with a one-night stand. Nobody knows, nobody cares, nobody hurts with a one-night stand. Nobody knows the pain you cause with a little bitty flame ain't nothing at all. You know it just ain't right being untrue to her. She gave you everything, lie awake at night, thinking of the train.
Yeah.
She knows the truth, and the line is away. Nobody knows, nobody cares, nobody hurts with a one-night stand. Nobody knows the pain you cause in a little bitty flame ain't nothing at all. In a little bitty flame.